Buon pomeriggio, beautiful people. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I thought I would bring you 4 recipes that are between 250 and 300 calories, which are really healthy, full of veggies, full of healthy fats, and that will really help you pursue your goals but still maintain taste and not spend more than maximum 20 minutes in the kitchen. So as you will see, all the recipes is just a matter of chopping up the ingredients and put it in the same pan, so that really makes the whole process a lot easier. So I really hope you like it. If you do, then please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get cooking. So the first recipe that we have is a sweet and sour chicken, which you can put with rice or cauliflower rice or noodles, and it consists of just chopping up the veg. So here we have a red bell pepper and a green bell pepper. Then I chopped some carrots and also some onions. So you just have to roughly chop it. It doesn't matter whichever size, it's whatever you prefer, whether it's bite size or smaller or bigger. Then you put all of that in one bowl on the side, and I decided to add some pineapple. So I took away the juice but maintaining it because it's really important for the sauce, and put it on the side. And then I just chopped up the chicken. Again, the size doesn't matter, it's whatever you want. And now that we have all the ingredients chopped up, everything ready to go, it's just a matter of heating up the pan with some oil, putting up the chicken, and I actually just make sure that the external gets really cooked with a little bit of soy sauce, and just making sure that it gets that little cooked color on the outside, so the chicken doesn't have to be cooked through. And that's when I add the vegetables and make it cook. On the side, then we will do the sauce, which consists of corn flour mixed with water, which will be mixed very slowly because otherwise it kind of lumps up. After you add all the water, you can then add the pineapple juice that we have put on the side, and some sugar, and also some distilled vinegar. Don't worry about the quantities, everything is down in the description box. And once we mix all the liquids, that is our sauce prepared. So going back to the pan, then we add the pineapple that we put on the side, and we add this basically sweet and sour sauce, and we literally just leave it there. We just leave it to boil out to make the sauce thicker, which with the corn flour it will slowly go thicker and thicker. And then once you feel that you're satisfied with the chicken being cooked through and the vegetable bill still nice and crunchy but not too overcooked, it's just time to plate it. And as you will see, this is around 250 calories. All the macros are down in the description box below, and that makes around 6 meals. Next we have as well one of my favorite dishes, which is a beef stir fry, which is again really easy to do because it just consists of heating up some sesame oil and cooking up the beef strips for the amount that it says in the box, so around 4 minutes. In the meantime that cooks, I just put some water to boil with some salt for the noodles, and then I just go ahead and add some soy sauce to the beef to just give it a little bit of flavor. Once the water boils, then I just add my noodles for about 3 minutes, and then as soon as the 4 minutes have passed, I just take the beef and put it on the side. Using the same pan, I add some oil and garlic and around half a bag of sweet and crunchy stir-fry veg that I just can buy in Tesco or Asda or wherever you buy the food from. And then when the time comes, I just take away the noodles and put it with some cold water. Add some soy sauce and ginger powder on the vegetables, and I also like to add some edamame beans and the meat that we had on the side and the veg. You just put everything together in the pan, and it's just a matter of adding maybe some more soy sauce, some spring onions, and just wait to cook it through. And again, this is around 250 calories, and all the macros are in the description box below, and it does around 3 servings. Next we have a super easy cold salad that I think is really ideal now that the temperature is getting quite warmer, and you can have this salad with some tuna or chicken or whichever source of protein you want. So to do the salad, again, it's just a matter of start cooking some red lentil pasta, which is my favorite. Then it's just a matter of chopping up the vegetables. So we have some cucumbers, sweet red pepper, yellow bell pepper, some spring onions again, tomatoes, whichever veggie you have in the fridge. Put it all in a bowl, add some garlic, add some light mayonnaise. Again, the quantities are in the description box below. and then it's just a matter of mixing it up with the pasta, with some salad, and then also if you like to add a little bit of olive oil, you just mix it up all together. And then you can also add some salt, pepper, lemon juice, which I really like, but as well some mustard sounds really good. And this does again around 4 to 5 portions, and then if you put it together with some tuna, again this is around 250 calories, and the macros are in the description box below. And next and final, we have some prawn and egg fried rice. Again, the prawns are absolutely optional. You can swap it with some chicken cooked with soy sauce or whichever other amount of protein that you like. So in this case, I just warmed up some sesame oil, garlic, and I just crushed a little bit of ginger root. Then I added around half or a third of a pack of mixed vegetable that is frozen. And then I also took some prawns, which I usually take fresh prawns, but in this case I only found the frozen one, which is okay. And I just let it cook all together with some soy sauce. As soon as it's almost done, what I do is put it all on this one side of the pan and add 1 egg and the equivalent of 2 egg whites, and I just scramble that really quickly on the side of the veg, and then I just mix everything together, and that's pretty much about it. It literally took 10 minutes. If you have some already cooked rice, then add it as well with some soy sauce again, just to give it a little bit of flavor, and that's it. This is just a quick fried rice. And if you divide it in around 4 portions, again this is around 250 calories. So that's it from me. These are my 4 go-to meals that I like to eat lately, especially because they're so quick and easy. As you can see, it's ideal for meal prep because you just cook once, do loads of quantities, and then you can divide it in a few Tupperwares and store it in the fridge for a few days. So it's really good and easy in that sense. Everything is all in one pan, which makes it even easier. It's literally the amount of time that it takes to chop up the veg and then the meat to cook through. So I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope this helps you with the achievement of your goals, but at the same time not having to eat boring stuff like just plain rice with broccoli and chicken. These are really healthy meals that don't really compromise taste, but at the same time they're really low in carbs and fats and not, added sugar, which is really important, as opposed to taking these ready meals from, I don't know, Tesco and just warming them up in the microwave. It's the same format. You just meal prep in big quantities and then reheat it whenever you need them, or bring it to the office if you're back at the office. So yes, I really hope you liked it. If you did, then don't forget to give it a like and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you next time. Ciao!